Hi, in this video I'm going to show you some differences between Moodle 3.9 and Moodle 4.1. I'll highlight the block drawer, how to add a block, course index, and course settings. Starting with the block drawer, you can see that in the new version, Moodle 4.1, we have a new little arrow at the top right hand side of the page. If we click on that arrow, like here, we can see the blocks that we have chosen to appear in our course, as you can see here. To add a block in Moodle 3.9, we used to turn editing on and then click the add block button, which would appear on the left hand side in the navigation list. When we clicked on that add block button, we would get a pop-up list of plugins. We would choose one of those blocks and then that block would appear on the right hand side of the course, as you can see here. In the new Moodle or Moodle 4.1, to add a block you need to navigate to a block drawer. It's a small arrow at the top right hand side of the course. When you click on that little arrow, a list of blocks will appear for you. If you want to add a new block in Moodle 4.1, turn editing mode from here and then navigate to the block drawer. Next, add a block where you can find it at the top of the list of blocks that you had chosen before. Again, you will get a list of different blocks. You choose one of them and the chosen block will appear in the block drawer. What I didn't like in Moodle 4.1, there is no borders between each blocks comparing with Moodle 3.9. Now, course index. In Moodle 3.9, we used to navigate between different tiles or sections using the navigation list on the left hand side of the course. If you clicked on the first folder icon in the navigation list, you could see a list of different sections in your course. Okay? In Moodle 4.1, the new feature is that when you click on one of those tiles, it will be displayed on the same page. Unlike Moodle 3.9, where clicking on one of those tiles would take you to a new page. So there is no need for the sections navigation list as we need it in Moodle 3.9. The section navigation list in Moodle 4.1 will appear when you turn editing mode on, and it's not just the main section but also the items or modules, activities, or resources inside each of those sections or tiles. I think Moodle 4.1 makes this navigation between sections and different items or materials in your course easier. Course settings. The only change in course settings between Moodle 3.9 and Moodle 4.1 is the location of settings. In Moodle 4.1, settings are placed in the navigation bar at the top of the home page and some sub-pages, where in Moodle 3.9 settings or course settings used to be in the action button or in the gear button at the top right hand side of the home page of the course page. Comparing the course settings page between Moodle 3.9 and Moodle 4.1, there is no difference between them other than the location, as you can see here. That's all for this video. I'm going to create more videos to compare between Moodle 3.9 and Moodle 4.1. Thanks and goodbye.